In case you guys haven't noticed, it's winter time here. It's John with Redbird Auto here. It's the middle of winter right now, and I can't really do much for with car videos. But that's okay. Hope you guys had a good New Year's. There's gonna be more videos coming up in 2019 here. I want to thank everybody who's watched and who's subscribed. Stay tuned for great new things. So anyway, enjoy this video from all the stuff in 2018. Be sure to tune in to 2019 because it's gonna be wet. What's up, guys? This time on Redbird Auto. What's up, guys? Redbird Auto here. Redbird Auto here. With Redbird Auto here. Today I got a really cool car. Oh my god. Oh.
What the hell was that?
Son of a bitch.
Oh yeah. It handles way better than I thought it would.
My car is making me so proud right now.
Somewhere out in Mexico. Okay, here we go. Your launch just puts it onto your chest, like it's just consistent. Okay, ready? Woo! Oh, and there's cops right there. We're gonna go into quiet mode here. Just hush up a little bit. I don't know if you can see with background there, but you know, they're there. That was awesome.
Oh man, those are some dirty ones.
Let's give her. Holy smokes. This is a really sweet daily.
Thanks, man.
No, like, I'm doing different cuts, man.
Oh,
Like,
I thought you were just like saying it 4 times. Like, dude, I think
I could edit it.
I don't know if you want to like break the shot or if you're like, no, it'll be one take.
No
We're
takes.
gonna do one take and one take only.
Fuck it, do it live. Okay, guys, hope you like the car. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Redbird Auto. Bye. See you next time. Peace. Wave bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching Redbird Auto. See you next time. Thanks for watching Redbird Auto. See you next time.